sticking around the Clown Town Radio. I doubt we'll be able to now.
Is there something out there? That's a question people have been asking now for 70 years. Back in 1937 came the very first report of...
On a spaceship, cause I hate relationships. Send me Snapchat clips, never even had it. Always had problems, tryna fast forward or skip. We just do not really fit. She wanna try lean with me, but I don't really sip. Tryna dip before I flip out. I just need to find my way out. Hold on my GPS reroute. Look what I made, look what I found on the ground. You and I make a compound. Only one growth from us both. Keep us hydrated, that is my oath. Competition, turn to toast. My water froze, my room so cold. Hey, I'm freezing, but she's so damn pleasing that I kinda forget about being upset. Just hop on my jet.